This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them, and make them look and taste like their retail products, all whilst reducing the costs. Imagine an original recipe fillet baked into a slider with barbecue sauce, lettuce on a warm flatbread. 11 secret herbs and spices for $2.95. Who can go wrong? It's even got barbecue sauce on it, which coincidentally, it looks exactly the same going out as it does going in. I hope that doesn't get me in trouble. Speaking of trouble on the day, that reminds me of today's special sponsor. Humpty Dumpty's at on the loo, Humpty Dumpty had to go poo. For those times that you have trouble going. Merch is in the link below. Start off with plain flour, corn flour, salt, thyme, mustard powder, basil, paprika, oregano, white pepper, black pepper, ginger, celery salt, and give it a good shake. Should look something like that. It's a good idea to get some of this and to make an egg wash out of it. So take some of it, put it inside a bowl, crack an egg, add some milk, and give it a quick mix. Add some pure honey. The next step is to hack up a chicken breast and slice off a thin, long slice. You want to boil it in hot water, lime juice, barbecue salt, and vinegar. Next you want to add your chicken tender into the egg wash, then into the batter. Deep fried, I'm just using a regular vegetable oil. Mix up your barbecue sauce and pure honey, shred some lettuce, warm your tortilla, barbecue sauce, lettuce, tender with more barbecue sauce. Came in at $1.20. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Raw.